Oh my goodness, y'all. So I got this 2000. Let's see what it is. What is it? Let me see what it is. I forget. 2001. Okay, so I guess 08 of 01. That's like about to be a 2002, but we'll call it a 01. This thing is so much fun to drive. In the woods, look at this. Oh shoot. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's so tight in here. Yeah, this thing is a lot of fun, man. It still got power. Still got air in the tires. Power steering still works. Rear shocks are blown though, so I'll get new rear shocks and springs maybe, and then oh, it's got a solid axle. That thing be drifting. Oh, this is oh my god. Yo, this thing is oodles of fun.